Contact lenses remind me of fruit bowls, and like my eyes would be the fruit. Well, if they were made of glass and they were on your eyeball all day, it's like wearing a pair of new shoes. You've got them in your eyes and they're there all day, rubbing your eyeballs. And then maybe your eyes are red and look awful.
Contact lenses are soft, comfortable and flexible, and they can be worn comfortably throughout the whole day. When we fit people with contact lenses, we ensure they fit your eyes properly. We give you all the advice on wear and care that you need, and check your eyes regularly to help ensure your eyes remain healthy.